Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your username on Temu application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Temu application on your device. Then you need to tap on your profile. You will find that at the bottom. And then here, as you can see, I use my phone number and that is shown as my profile name or a username. So how I'm going to change it, just tap on that. Once you tap on that one, here is an edit option. You need to tap on that one, and from here you need to tap here and erase that one, and you can choose another name. So once you choose your name, you typed in, then just tap on save. And I will go back to show you. As you can see, my name has changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change your name on Temu application. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.